Welcome everyone. In this video, we will see how to prepare the slide for the microscope. In our previous video, we have seen how to use the microscope and what are the different kind of microscopy we can perform, right? So for that, for preparing the sample here, I have taken butter sample and I just melt it. And what I will do, I will take 1 or 2 drop of butter and put it in the glass slide here, and you will see it in the microscope. So here I have pipettes, some drop. Now let it put it in the glass slide here, 2 to 3 drop. Okay, here I have put it 3 drop. So now let's cover it with a cover slip. I just wipe it out. Okay, so now our slide is ready. So before, this is the slide that we have prepared. Okay, so now I'm going to put this slide in the here. Okay, as we have seen in our first video, right? So here I have put this slide, and this is a software through which actually this microscope is uh, controlled, and we can use this microscope. Okay, so here we have to adjust the position of the slide. Okay, so now let's change its position such that we'll get. After adjusting, we got this one. So see, so still now we need some adjustment here. See, right? So at this moment the objective lens is in 10x. So if we go for higher magnification like 40x, now let's see how it is working. Okay, so I changed the objective lens, so now you can see it's pretty clear, and we can see the micrographs here, right? So this is all about the bright field microscopy. So now we will go for the polarized microscopy. Okay, so let me adjust this first. Okay, so here from this micrograph we can see there are some black patches along with some bubbles. You can see round shaped bubbles. So we have to only focus on the black patches, which is actually our fat crystals. Okay, so in this micrograph, in this bright field, it is not we actually not able to differentiate the fat crystals effectively, right? So for that reason we are going to see this micrograph in the polarized microscopy with the help of a polarizer. So now I am placing the polarizer in the, here I am putting the polarizer here. Okay, so now let's see. Now see how the micrographs get changed. Now we can see, we easily differentiate which are the fat crystals, as I told you earlier, that black patches that are shown in that bright field is actually our fat crystals, and we can easily see it in this polarized micrograph, right? So when I adjust it, you can see how the intensity is changing. So now let's see. Okay, so this is in the 10x. Now let's see in the 40x also. Here थोड़ा adjustment करना पड़ेगा शायद. So in this way we can perform microscopy with the help of this microscope, like a microscope, and we can perform both bright field as well as the polarized microscopy. So thank you all.